Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to hide and even unhide for the dog down below here, MacBook. So for me currently I'm using MacBook Air and my version is Sonama 14.4.1. So let's start. First of all, you need to go to this left small line here and you can just right click the bar, and at the bar you can change for the setting. So basically you can just change to hiding mode on. After that it will show the bar will be hide, and if you want to take back the bar to be displayed on the screen, you can just put your mouse down and go to any apps. If you want to make it remaining on the screen, you can just change back the setting, right click this line and also turn hiding off. So yeah, basically that is how we can hide or even unhide for the dog. Thank you.